Sup guys, let's try 3 on 3. Who's gonna win? Team A or Team B? Current NBA players, random. Let's go, 3v3. Current NBA players, first one from Team A, Pascal Siakam. Not bad. Next one, Team B, first player ng Team B, Spencer Dinwiddie. Pero supposedly dapat sa Nets na to. Naka-Dallas jersey pa siya. Alright, next one, second player ng Team A, Spencer ulit. Random ulit natin. Kawhi Leonard. Lamang na, Team A. Kailangan yung lalabas sa Team B. Pwedeng tumapat kay Kawhi. Second player ng Team B, si Lonzo Ball. Injured right now. Alright, last player for Team A. Damian Lillard. Panalo to. Solid yung Team A. Okay, Team B, last player ng Team B. Nikola Vucevic. Yun lang. So yun guys, tingin nyo sino panalo? Team A or Team B?